Boom, boom, boom. I want you in my room? No. A lot of EVs are catching fire in India. So many clips over the internet, mostly related to OLA EVs, but I think it's a widespread problem over 3 or 4 companies that the scooters have caught fire. This is mainly related to the battery. So the battery can have manufacturing defects, and that's why you can have these batteries just exploding randomly. Other contributing factors are stress, like vibration on the scooter. The battery is shaking all over the place. That contributes to EV fires. One of the biggest factors in these EV fires is something called thermal runaway. What is thermal runaway? Thermal runaway is when one cell in the entire battery starts heating up. The reasons could be mechanical failure or a short circuit. But it starts heating up, and then it starts heating the cells around it. And then you have this uncontrolled fire. And you look at a lot of these EV fires, it's not like a normal fire that you would have on paper or leaves. It's a jet of fire coming out, almost like a jet lighter, if you may. So that's quite interesting. That is a chemical fire, so it's very difficult to control and it's very difficult to extinguish. And I even know that the fire brigades have got new protocols in place to deal with these particular fires. That being said, I've not seen a lot of cars catch fire in India. I don't think any cars have caught fire in India. It's mostly to do with scooters. And one of the solutions could be that we adopt some sort of thermal solution. So a lot of our smartphones, they have a copper pipe or a fan or something inside to reduce heat from parts that actually get hot, or take away heat from parts that get hot and take it out in the open where it can cool down. I think a lot of these scooters will have to adopt this thermal solution because they seem to be getting hot in our environment in India and a lot of the places like South India, Mumbai, whatever. But it's not happening to all scooters. So if you're planning to buy an EV, I think you should stick to Ather and Chetak because these products have been tried and tested over many years, and it's a very, very mature product, and none of them have caught fire, but the newer boys have been catching fire. So you can look into that. And if you already do have an EV, use the proper charger first of all, and a proper plug and a proper outlet to charge the vehicle. And if you see any discoloration of the battery, any heat, any leakage, I think you should just stay away from that. That's all for this video, guys. I will see you in the next one. Ride safe, ride hard, always wear your helmet. And if you're riding an EV, I think you should just juice it up and don't run out of charge. I will see you in the next one. Like, share, subscribe. If you don't like the video, press a thumbs down, and I will see you in the next one.